from AI Clinics. Who am I speaking with and how can we help?
Hey, I just want to book an appointment.
Great. What's your name?
My name is James.
Thanks, James. When would you like to book your appointment?
I would like to book the appointment probably tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Alright, James. Let me quickly check if the time slot for tomorrow at 10 a.m. is available for you. Good news, James. The time slot for tomorrow at 10 a.m. is available. I just need your email to confirm the booking.
If you are a business owner and want to have this kind of AI solutions or AI callers for your business, you can book an 30-minute free call with me, and there is a link in the description. You can have a 30-minute call with me and we can discuss how this AI caller can benefit your business. So in this video I am going to show you how you can build an AI receptionist for a dental clinic. So I asked Perplexity that how many calls a dental clinic normally received in a single day. So it gave an answer of 30 or more calls daily, and due to this high volume of calls there are many common problems which dental clinics faced. The most common one is patient retention. Existing patients calling to reschedule or cancel appointments can create additional workload which affects overall clinic efficiency. So imagine having an AI caller which can uh, receive call and talk to the customer or the patient on behalf of you, and they can book appointment, reschedule appointment, answer their questions. So a AI receptionist will be a very useful and helpful system dental clinic can have. Okay, so what are the benefits of an AI caller? It will available for 24 into 7. It can qualify your leads or your patients. It can analyze data. I will use Retell AI for this. So first of all you need to log in to Retell, and as you log in you will head over to this this interface, and then you need to create a new agent. I already created it. So you need to create a new agent, and then you will see a interface like this, right? You will not see the prompt. We need to have the prompt. So you can see that I already have the prompt. If you need the prompt and all of the templates, all of the automations template, there is a link in the description where you can have all of the resources for free. I have my own Discord community where I share all of the resources for free. So first of all you need the prompt. You can see that I already have the prompt. You will take it from my Discord community. Okay, so you can see I mentioned I mentioned the AI assistant's role, their task, context, steps, and then an example conversation, then notes. Okay, so you will have the prompt, so I will not go through the prompt. I will just give you a overview. This is the exact system I built for a restaurant also. They also need to have reservation, book reservation. They also need to have reschedule reservation. They also need to cancel reservation. So I already have a detailed tutorial about that, how you can build this exact system. So that's the 1 hour tutorial. So if you want to build this thing from scratch, you just need to watch my previous video and you are good to go. So after you paste the prompt, you need to choose these things. I will select GPT-4o. As voice I choose Dorothy, and as language I will choose English. So after that you need to build functions. So you can see that I have 3 functions, which is check calendar availability, book appointment, and reschedule appointment. Reschedule appointment, right? So I will show you how you can build it. I will show the preview. I will not going to show you how you can build it from scratch, because I already saw and demonstrated in my previous video, so you can check it out. So first one is check calendar availability. So when you click on add, you will see a function already built in Retell AI with the integration of cal.com, right? So you just need to click it here, and you just need the API key, where you just need the API key of the cal.com. So you need to go to your cal.com account, and then you need to go to settings, and in the settings you can see API key section. You just need to create a API key, then you need to copy it and paste it here, right? Then after that you need the event type ID, and for that you need to go to cal.com, back, then you need to go to event types, and you can see this is the event I want, a 15-minute appointment, clinic appointment. I already built it. You can build it from here. So then so after you click in clinic appointment event, you will have this number, and this is the event type ID, right? You just need to copy it and then paste it here. Then you can mention your time zone also, it is optional. Then you need to save it, right? I already built it, you can see. Then same goes for book on the calendar. You just need to follow the same steps, right? Then you can have these two functions, right? So then you need to build another custom function. You can just click on add, then you need to add a custom function, and then you had to name it, then give it a description. Then you need a URL, which is a webhook URL. I will show you how you can do it. So let me show you the real one. So you can see that I gave it a name, I give it a description also. Now I need the URL, and where you can have it, you can have it from your make.com scenario. So you just need to add a custom webhook first, and then you just need to copy this URL. Okay, copy this URL, and then you need to go to here, and you just need to paste it, right? And then you can have this URL section full. Then you need to add the JSON schema. So to add the JSON schema, you need to click on example 1, and there you can click on example 2, example 3, which you want. I will suggest to click on example 1. Then you can have this JSON schema. You just need to copy it. Then you need to go on ChatGPT, and you just need to paste the JSON schema. And after you paste it, you just need to say that edit this JSON schema where I need the customer name, email, and their requested time, and then it will edit the JSON schema. Let it edit the JSON schema first. So then it will edit the JSON schema, you can see. So you will have this JSON schema. You can see that it doesn't remove this so you can see that we don't need this thing. So I will say that I don't need this. I will will say I don't need this, and then it will generate another JSON schema which will have these slots: the customer name, the customer email, requested time. And why do I need that? Because we need to verify the customer first using their name and their email. So then we need the requested time where in which they want to reschedule the appointment, right? So now you can have that JSON schema. You just need to copy it, and then you need to go to Retell, and then you just need to paste it here. So now you paste it, just click on format JSON. You can choose speak during execution. It will say something like hold on a second, or any message which you want to say. Hold on a second during executing the scenario. So then you just need to save it, and you have your function build. Now you just need to build the automation. This is the exact automation you need to build for rescheduling the appointment. So first of all, we need a custom webhook. We already see that. Then we need a database, which you can have a Airtable database, you can have a Go high level database, anything. I am using Google Sheet as a database. You can see that clinic database, right? So after you add search rows in Google Sheets, you need to add a filter called name. And if I show you the database, you can see that we have a name section, an email section, and booking UID section. We actually need the booking UID to reschedule the appointment, and I will show you how you can have the booking UID, right? So you just need to add this thing. Name contains the name which we capture from the function, customer name and customer email, right? When it will satisfy this condition, it will move forward and give us the value which is our booking UID, and we can schedule the appointment. So after that, you need to add a router. So we need to add a router. So if we didn't found any existing customer with this name and email which the customer provide to the AI voice agent, it will go to this path and it will say that sorry, but there is no appointment, it is not reservation, there is no appointment booked with the name of this and the email of this. Then hit OK. Then if we didn't found any existing customer, it will go to this path. If we found, go to this path. So what it will do, we add a text cortex AI step. You can see it is a alternative for chat GPT, you can say. It actually offers free API which chat GPT or any other LLM doesn't provide. Okay, so you can, for testing any scenario, you can use it. So this is the exact prompt you need to give. Okay, so you can see this is the time now, because the automation doesn't know the time. Yeah, it know the time, but in a organization level. Okay, so you need to add the time. Then you have to give this prompt. You have to change this time which we capture from this webhook, which is the requested rescheduling time, into ISO 8601 format with IST. I am providing the time zone also, you can provide it, right? And for example, I give it an example how it gonna look. It should look like this way. And I add another thing, don't give explanation, just output the main thing. right? So then hit OK. Then you can create a tool, sorry, you can set a variable which called requested time, and which you need to put the thing into this, the text in the variable value, then hit OK. Then you need to have the HTTP request. So how you can have it? So to build the HTTP request, you need to go to cal.com, and cal.com. Okay, so to build it, you just need to type cal.com docs, click on the first link, and there you can see a thing called you can find the documentation where, yeah, so you can find this thing, reschedule a booking, and you can see what is necessary to make the HTTP request. Okay, so you have the URL, the request should be post, the API version, so you need the API key from cal.com, right? So I already show you how you can have the API key, right? So I go to here, and here you can see this is the URL you need to have. You will have the URL, you can have the URL from here. You can see the URL, this is the URL, right? And this is the variable, you can see the booking UID you need to have to reschedule the appointment, right? Then you need the header, which is the cal API version. It should be this, and the path should be the booking UID. Also you need the requested content. You can have the requested content, it is not necessary, as I think it is not necessary, right? You just need to add body type raw, content type JSON application, right? And this is the request content, right? You can see that I map the requested time here, and that's it. You need to build this HTTP request. You can have the booking UID from here, you can see, right? And then hit OK. Then you need to add a webhook response again, that your appointment is successfully rescheduled at the time which they want to, right? And then hit OK. So this is the exact system you need to build. If you want to have a proper video on how to build it from scratch step by step, I already make a video where I showed you that how you can build this simple thing, this automation from scratch step by step. That's a 1 hour tutorial, so go check it out. You can have the video in my channel, that's a 1 hour long tutorial. Okay, so now before moving forward, we actually need the if we go to client database, that you can see we actually need the booking UID. And how we can have, we need to go to Pabbly. You can make this automation in make.com also, but I am facing some issue in connecting cal.com to make.com, so that's why I'm using Pabbly, right? So I choose the cal.com as a trigger, and trigger event set as a booking created. Then you will have this webhook URL. You just need to copy this webhook URL, and then you just need to go to settings, and when you go to settings, you just need to go to webhooks, and you just need to add a new webhook, and you can paste the webhook URL here, and you just need to delete everything and just need to have booking created as a event trigger. and then create a webhook. It will create a webhook. You can see I already created it, right? So then you need to map all of the things. You can see you will have the name, the email of the customer, and the booking UID, which is the most important thing, right? So you can see I already mapped it, right? You just need to click here. You will have all of the data here, and you just need to map the data in their respective fields, right? So that's all, and then you just need to save and send request. You can save and send request. I already did that, so I will save it, right? So I think everything is now ready, so I think it's time to test it. So let's test it.
Hello, this is Emily from AI Clinics. Who am I speaking with and how can we help?
Hey, I just want to book an appointment.
Great. What's your name?
My name is James.
Thanks, James. When would you like to book your appointment?
I would like to book the appointment probably tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Alright, Jane. Let me quickly check if the time slot for tomorrow at 10 a.m. is available for you. Good news, James. The time slot for tomorrow at 10 a.m. is available. I just need your email to confirm the booking. Could you please spell it out for me slowly, word by word?
Yeah, my email is james@gmail.com.
Thanks, James. Just to confirm, your email is james@gmail.com, right?
Yeah.
Booking the appointment for James at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Your appointment has been successfully booked for tomorrow at 10 a.m., James. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thanks.
You're welcome, James. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Bye.
So if I go to my cal.com account here, then hit back in booking, you can see that the appointment has booked. I created a 15-minute appointment, so that's why it created 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. right? Now I will reschedule the appointment also. So let's reschedule the appointment also. Let's test it again.
Hello, this is Emily from AI Clinics. Who am I speaking with and how can we help?
Hey Emily, I just want to reschedule my existing appointment.
Sure. Can I have your name, please? Could you also spell it for me to make sure I get it right?
Yeah, my name is James, James.
Thank you, James. When would you like to reschedule your appointment?
I would like to reschedule my appointment probably tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Let me check if tomorrow at 11 a.m. is available for rescheduling. Good news, James. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. is available for rescheduling. Could you please provide your email address and spell it out for me?
Yeah, my email address is james@gmail.com.
Thanks, James. Just to confirm, your email is james@gmail.com, right?
Yeah.
Let me know if I got that correct. Perfect. Let me confirm everything. Your name is James, and you'd like to reschedule your appointment to tomorrow at 11 a.m. Your email is james@gmail.com. Let me process this for you.
So if we go to our automation, let's see the automation. Okay, there is no automation triggered. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it actually triggered the automation. If we go to the So you can see that the appointment is rescheduled now. It actually triggered because it is set as immediately as data arrives, so it will not show that bubble feature to show you everything how it is processing the whole data. So you can see that the appointment is rescheduled now. So it will check the available time slot first, and then it will book appointment. And when someone wants to and then when someone wants to reschedule the appointment also, it will then check the available time slots first, then it will book the it will reschedule the appointment, right? So this is the exact system you can have, right? You just need to go to my uh, you just need to go to my Discord community, and that's it, right? So this is all for this video. I will see you in the next one.